the soup. Cheffy's got a letter scoop. A, B, C, and D, E, F. What will Cheffy spell out next? Cooking with Cheffy, scooping up fun, making little words one by one. Mix the letters, watch them go. Alphabet soup in a tasty show.
Hi everybody, thanks for hanging out with Cheffy. Let's get started. What can we spell with our soup? D O G, dog. R U N, run. S U N, sun. C O W, cow. Great job! Cheffy's very proud of you. Let's do more. M O M, mom. C A R, car. P L A Y, play. B A B Y, baby. You did a great job. Cheffy's proud of you. Let's do more. B A L L, ball. G O A T, goat. Z E B R A, zebra. D U C K, duck. Great job! Cheffy's very proud of you. See you next time.